Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a very long break. I feel like it's been years. Actually, it's been over a year since I last filmed a video. A lot has happened and you guys deserve an explanation. I owe you guys an explanation. I can't just leave and come back and just start releasing regular sewing videos without explaining why I took a very long break. So honestly, I've missed you guys so much. I've missed sewing. I actually haven't been sewing a lot in the past year. I think the last time I made something was, well, I've made like a few outfits. But last time I made something to film was February 2021. So basically, a lot happened. Like a lot happened. I'm sure you guys can already guess, but yeah, you guys need to hear it from the lion's mouth. So is that the way it's said? I don't know, but yeah, anyway, so February 2021, what happened? I think we we're on lockdown. I was making videos, I wasn't going to work, and in March I found out I was pregnant. After I found out I was pregnant, so before then my husband and I were in the middle of like getting a new place. So around the time I found out I was pregnant, that came through. We needed to like move, and then the weekend we're moving was the same weekend that they called off the lockdown, and I was also supposed to go back to work. So basically everything just happened at the same time. I got pregnant, we got a new place which was unfurnished, like totally unfurnished, so it was a lot, and this happened like just when I was returning back to work. Yeah, so everything happening at the same time, there was just no way I could make out time to like make videos. I felt like there was just so much going on. I was dealing with a new pregnancy. Of course, all pregnancies are new. But yeah, I was dealing with that, and moving home, setting up the house, commuting to work. So everything just happened at the same time, and yeah, I abandoned you guys, and I'm sorry. Honestly, like I tried. And oh, there was also Etsy. My Etsy store, I also had like loads of orders. So like even on the weekends when I wasn't going to work, I was busy making satin bonnets, and it was just a lot. I actually had to close the Etsy shop at some point because I was just overwhelmed. I was really stressed. So yes, I had my baby in November 2021. She's a girl, and she's such a delight. Like she's so amazing. She's such a happy baby. It was really tough, honestly. Like it just was a lot. But thankfully my husband is on leave. He's been on leave since November actually, and he will be going back to work end of this month, and I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to be on leave till August. So I took like 9 months, and he took 3 months, and then he had like some annual leave, and we did the regular paternity leave of 2 weeks. So yeah, he got like 4 months in total, and then I got 9 months. So at least I've had that helping hand. It's been good having him around. He's really hands-on. He's an amazing dad, and it's just really helpful having someone around, because my mom isn't here. I don't really have like a lot of family here, just my husband's family, and they've been amazing. But it's just not the same like the usual 3 months omugwo that Nigerian mothers would typically do, like when you have a baby. But my mother-in-law also works, so she took some leave, spent some time with us, but she had to go back to work as well. So basically that's like the long and short of what has been happening, what I've been up to. This video is not going to be very long because I'm pretty sure everyone is like, okay, enough, can we see sewing videos? So hopefully the plan is for me to start making sewing videos again, and I'm also going to be sewing baby clothes, like of course mini me, mommy and me, or mini, I don't know, but basically you guys get the gist. Like I'll be making some matching outfits for Remi and I. So her name is Remi, by the way. I'm making some matching outfits for Remi and I, and also just I may talk a little bit about other baby related things, but this channel is still majorly a sewing channel, and it's going to remain a sewing channel. So sharing videos of pattern drafting, freehand sewing where I can, and just things like that. Basically I've really missed sewing. I also have some videos that I recorded that I'm yet to edit, so I'll edit those as well, and hopefully videos should start coming out in the next weeks. Fingers crossed, because honestly with a baby, like you can make so many plans, and then she just decides that she's not just going to settle. And I mean, even this video, I had planned to make it since morning, and she just has refused to nap. You know, I just had to give her to my husband, like, you need to take her, I need to make this video, I need to break this jinx. I've been planning to make this video forever now. So yes, it's really, really good to be back. I've really missed you guys. A lot of people have like checked up on me, sent me messages. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Like, in fact, I've been so inactive on social media, so if I haven't replied to your messages, it's not because I'm being a snob, I promise. It's just like there has just been a lot going on in my life. But you know, I'm actually going to go back and reply all those messages. I've seen the notifications, but sometimes to even pick up my phone, even like there are times where I don't go on Instagram for like weeks. I'm not even joking. Like, I barely go on social media now, but you know, I plan on getting back there, because you know, I connect with you guys on social media. I put up pictures of what I've made and also advertise like videos on social media, so I need to be back there. Yeah, I think that's it. The plan was for this video to just be a very short explanatory video, just to explain to you guys what I've been up to. And really, it's been a lot, but it's been like, that's all. It feels like it's been a lot, but really that's all. Anyway, thank you guys for like just sticking by me. The channel has been growing even though I've been inactive. Like, I think right now there are over 4,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Like, honestly, I know a lot of people have joined since I stopped posting, but don't worry guys, I actually post. I used to post every week, and I plan on doing that again. It may be a bit slow to get to that, you know, pace of every week, but at least maybe once every 2 weeks for now, while I still, maybe by the time Ire starts nursery, you know, I would have more time to myself, and then I'll be able to go back to every week. But my plan is to actually work on being consistent, and I promise I'm going to be consistent, because you guys deserve consistency. Okay, I feel like I've just been blabbing because I've just missed you guys so much. But yes, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video if you stuck this far, because I feel like I've just been blabbing a lot. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.